Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transform your workflow with Edraw Max, best AI diagram software. And right now, as you can see, there is something happening. Someone is creating a background or basically a diagram for me. Now this is pretty simple, I'm gonna teach you how to do it. By the way, this application or software is applicable or available for a third-party application, as you can see right here, or basically an online web form. Now with that being said, let's talk about the pricing first. Now welcome back to the video. Right now, once you're here, this is going to be the prices, this is the comparison. As discussed, we have a desktop application and a website application. Now let's go back on the landing page. Now once you're here, if you want to download the application, simply click on free download. And then if you want to try the online platform, try online for free. Now once you're here, if you pull up the application, basically you're gonna see a light background. If you want to push this one as a dark background, simply click this one on the upper right section and you'll be good to go. Basically that's it. Now for this video, we're gonna focus on the platform and the website. Now I'm gonna make a separate video wherein we're gonna focus on the application, but basically they're identical. The process is the same. The reason to this one is going to be that there is currently a maintenance for the application on the desktop. However, everything I do on the website platform is basically the same in here on the application. Now click on online for free and I'll see you once inside. Now welcome back to the video. Right now, once you're here, you're going to notice under your account, you can change your language. For example, right here you have English, France, up to Portuguese. Now there are different things going on here. Let's start with the search bar. Just type anything here, templates or file, you can see there. We have flowchart right here, mind map up to engineering. Of course, we have this templates as well. Now for this video, I'm going to utilize something what we call process map. If I click on answer right there, there is a process map example template. I'm going to click this one right now. Now welcome back to the video. Right now, this is going to be the editing platform inside any templates you have. So I know it's overwhelming, but if you click on the upper section, you have your font style, the font text. It's just like any other Word document. On the left side, you have templates. If you click in here, you can choose the templates from before. The symbols, the library, pictures, up to icons is right here. Now they've added more tools here. Basically, you have container up to QR code. And the best part about this one, you have OCR image extraction. This is fairly new. On the right side, we have these sections if you want to change the color, align, shadow, and gradient. This one is the page settings. You have the background, watermark, and auto size, and so on and so forth. You also have this one. Basically, it is how you look like on your diagram. I think I'm gonna go with this little one right there. Perfect. Now, there is a new thing here that is gonna be AI. If I click on it, it's gonna be called Edraw AI. I'm going to discuss this at the latter part of the video, so please stay until the end. Now let's focus first on what we have here. So we have a basic process map example from start to end, and basically if you move everything here, it will follow through the line. Even though if you overlap something, you'll see this one, there is a jump line. Easy as that. Perfect, right? Now if you want to change things here, for example, you want to change the style, the fill, even the word inside it. I'm going to type in here Tutorialboxx, something like that. Click on enter and I have it right here. Easy as that. I did not do anything here. It's just a simple click and yes, something like that. I can replace this one for circle, as you can see here, or replace this one, for example, as a human guy right there. Awesome, right? Now this is the power of Edraw Max. Now, if you're satisfied with this one, for example, you're good with it, you can share the link here, publish to community, or export this one as an image, PDF, or document up to Edraw Max file format. However, Visio, it's gonna be for paid subscription, so I suggest if you want Visio file, please do so for the paid subscription. Take note about that one, okay? Now, since we have discussed the basic tutorial map here, let's go back on the landing page. Now welcome back to the video. Right now, this is going to be the landing page. Now as promised, let's talk about Edraw AI, which is this one right here. Now this is also applicable for the application, But since it's still on maintenance, let's focus first on the website platform, because they're basically the same, or identically the same process. So under Edraw AI, we have flowchart and so much more. Now for this video, I'm gonna focus on flowchart AI. I'm gonna see you once inside. Now welcome back to the video. Basically, this is a blank Canva. We're just gonna focus on this section right here on the right side. As you can see, Edraw AI is just like any chatbot, an assistant, or co-pilot. As you can see, it's a conversation. I have here, I want to draw a flowchart. So it's asking me what kind and what subject would you like your flowchart to be about. Let me just pull up my notepad because I have something prepared for this one. So again, I'm just going to create a flowchart for my research proposal, focusing on sections under introduction, literature, and so on and so forth. And basically that's it. By the way guys, you can regenerate if you're not satisfied. Change the method here. For example, you want user story, pie chart, by chart, something like that. Let me try this one. I want to say a pie chart. And with this one, click this one again, a prompt, click on enter. And let's see what will it do if I enable a pie chart rather than a flowchart. So this is going to be the pie chart for us. And if you're not satisfied, of course, you can regenerate. Same drill guys. You can move this one, move that one right there. Change the font, for example, name this one sample. Easy as that. I can also again replace this one as any other. Change the color. The fill, of course, is going to be right here. Easy as that, right? And basically that's it. If you're satisfied again with what you have here, simply click on export. Download this one as PDF, image, Word. It's going to be up to you. And that's it. Again guys, this is an identical process, the same as the application, but since the application is going to be on maintenance, this is what we're going to do right now. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.